medical kit. All of this stuff is available at the shop right now. We're going to go over all of this stuff. We're going to go straight into this, which is an EMS blanket, as it were, by Blizzard Bag. Absolutely awesome company. I use Blizzard Bag stuff myself. These incidentally are both exactly the same. They just come in different packaging, okay? So it depends on what your loadout's like and how you want to receive it packaged. This is basically a one-off. That's wicked. It's by a company called Telford, and it's a traction device, okay? Very expensive, high quality, brand new. Tourniquets, okay, we got the cat tourniquet there, and we got this one here, which is a version 4, I believe. Okay, we've got the classic cat tourniquet, bought in date, as you can see, and sealed. Here we have a Cheeto gauze. This is the RX Pro, very expensive, amazing, good quality. Here we have a Russell chest seal, that one's vented, okay. Here we have another product by BCB International, okay, that is a flexible splint. Here we have a blast bandage by Tactical Medical Solutions. Here we have an Olaus modular bandage, again by Tactical Medical Solutions. Here we have 5 meters of white zinc oxide tape. Here we have 3 inches by 10 meters of Celox gauze. Here we have Trauma Fix military field dressing, okay, that's 10 by 19 centimeters. Here is the bigger brother by Trauma Fix, another military field dressing. This happens to be 19 by 20 centimeters. Starting from this side, we're going to go through the pouches. This one is by BCB. Just going to quickly open her up and then have a little quick look inside. Now these are pretty cool because you can just open these up and they can just hang. Alright. Got a zip on the top there. And you can also pretty much see through inside that mesh. Along here, we've got another zip which opens up into quite a good sized pouch, ideal for gauzes and bandages, that sort of thing. 3 little insert pockets along there. Again, we've got another pouch underneath. Quite a sizable amount of space in there too. Okay, again, you can see through the mesh. The good thing about these is, like I say, you can hang them up, so it gives you hands free and you can just gain access to all of the medical kit that you need. This one is by a company called Viper. Also doubles as an EDC pouch. One of our best sellers actually. These are pretty good. Loads of space inside there. We've got a couple of pockets, one just inside and another one behind, just in there. As I say, you can get your whole hand in there. Alright, just gives you an idea of the size. And underneath there, you've got the elasticated strap that goes through, so you can attach all sorts to the outside if you need to. If you've got a bit of room, you can put a little patch on there, okay. In the top, you've got a small little outside pocket. You can put things in there. Moving along the main compartment now. I do like these zips, it stops a lot of rain and water getting in. You open it up, there's a huge, massive space in there. You can almost fit your entire hand in there. You've got tiny little pockets on the side, and indeed on there as well. So you can fit quite a lot of kit and equipment inside there. On the reverse, there's a molly system. So you undo those, and again, you've got another pouch, a slider inside there. You've also got a D-loop on the top there, so you can secure kit and equipment too. Another one from Viper. There's a small pouch by Viper again. Molly compatible front and rear, so you can also attach other little pouches to the front of it if you want. Some people just want something simple, okay, so this is exactly what it is. All waterproof lined, as you can see, and it's quite a sizable compartment in there too. And again, like I said, it's all Molly compatible on the rear and on the front too. The combat one there. These pouches are quite nice. They're very slimline, as you can see. The problem most backpacks and stuff have these days is loads of compartments in there, and you can't really fit much in there because the equipment's too bulky. But a nice slimline pouch like this are absolutely ideal for that sort of thing. In the front, you've got a big mesh pocket there. So that'd probably be ideal for putting gloves, that sort of thing, okay? You've got a nice piece of Velcro on there to put like a medical sign if you want to. It's got a little grab handle, again with MOLLE compatible items on the back. That will just open right up like that. And there we have it. Inside you have these, which you can tether things to. Exactly the same on this one too. Again, you can tether things in there. It stops it getting lost, okay? You can see it there. Don't lose things. Inside, you've got another pouch which you can see through in there. Again, it's got a Velcro closure on it. You've got items that you can put down in there, like saline, that sort of thing, okay? If you can see there, you've got Velcro there and Velcro there, and it just adheres to these two, keeping it secure. All of this is soft, smooth and quite well padded. You've got sections there to store things as well. And again, you've got a huge big compartment which you can pretty much fit your entire hand into for all your pieces of kit and equipment. So that will all go in there together. Close up. Nice and simple and straightforward. Great piece of kit. And our medic pouch, which we developed here at the Bug Out. There's a video about this in the link right there. Okay, this one is quite an extensive first aid kit by BCB International. Here is the military first aid kit by BCB International. I'm not going to take it all apart and take it out because there is a bit of an art form how these are packaged. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to put that on the screen there so you can have a good look and see exactly what's inside there. A really cool bit of kit, there's loads of things in there and it's literally grab and go, it's everything you really need. We have that kit there from Highlander. Here's the midi pack by Highlander. A nice good size with waterproof zips, which is really good to see, okay? Again, same with the other one, I don't really want to take all this apart because there, like I said, there's a massive art form in there. But if you look on there, there's a big list of all of the contents inside. Okay, so if you want to pause the screen or take a screenshot or whatever, that's exactly what's inside there, okay? This one here, again from Combat. Okay, these are pretty much new into the shop. Combat, we've only had these in stock for a few weeks now. And it's really cool actually, I quite like it because if you look at the back, you can slide that over about. These are all fully elasticated, okay, so there's loads of different mounting options for those. And it comes with this cool hook as well, like I said, you can hang it, gives you hands free to deal with it. Like again, inside, all of this stuff is sealed, okay? So it's all been checked, it's all been sealed, there's lots of kit and equipment in there, alright? Like I said, I don't want to take all that out because they've got an art form on how they pack these. And these two, both from BCB International, the personal first aid kit. Okay, so here are those personal first aid kits by BCB International. They come in MTP camo and they come in green. Okay, so you've got choices of what suits you and they're very small. Okay, let's just have a quick look over there. It's pretty much the same idea as what the Combat one we just saw. Okay, so you can run about through there. These ones are stitched on there, so not all the way across, and these are elasticated. Okay, so MOLLE compatible, 100%. Like I said, they come in two different colours there, green and multicam, or MTP if you so wish. And last but not least, on the end, we've got a really cool little cadet one in its own plastic waterproof case there. And last out of all of the kits, really impressed with this one. If you want to look on the screen, and it will tell you what the contents are there. And this is the cheapest one we do, but don't be fooled, because there you go, it shows you exactly what it's like inside. A really well thought out, basic, simple kit, and I believe there's a sewing kit in there too, which makes it really awesome. So there it is, pretty much the whole range that we sell here at the Bug Out. All of the links you're going to need to know are below this video. Some of this equipment will require proper training, okay, so look into everything before you make that purchase should you decide to do so. Thanks for watching, stay funky.